Hello guys, my name is Rohit Rathod of Section Ferrari from CSC Data Science. Today we will be discussing about what is binary tree and graph. What is binary tree? A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure with a unique starting point called the root, and it has a maximum of two children, left and right. It is used to represent hierarchical relationship and is commonly employed in computer science for various algorithms. Binary tree traversals. First is in order, second one is pre-order, and third one is post-order. First we'll be saying what are the concepts in order traversal. In this traversal, the left subtree is visited first, followed by the root, and then the right subtree. It is commonly used for expression parsing. Second one is pre-order traversal. The root is visited first, then the left and right subtrees. It's often used to create a copy of the tree. Third one is post-order traversal. In this traversal, the root node is visited last. It is useful in deleting a tree from a memory. Then we'll be seeing what is a graph. Here are two types. First is graph definition and second one is nodes and edges. Graph definition. In a computer science, a graph is an abstract data type representing a collection of nodes and edges. Second one is nodes and edges. The nodes represent entities and the edges represent the relationship between the entities. Next we will be seeing explaining the following term of graph. There are three types of graph. First is directed graph, second one is undirected graph, and third is weighted graph. First we will be discussing about directed graph, also known as a digraph. It is a graph in which the edge has a direction from vertex to another. Undirected graph. It is a graph in which the edges have no specified direction between the vertices. Third is weighted graph. A graph in which weight is assigned to each edge used to represent a cost or distance. Next we will be seeing about adjacency matrix. A adjacency matrix is a square matrix used to represent a finite graph. The element indicate whether pairs of vertices and adjacent or not in the graph. Conclusion. A clear understanding of a binary tree, graph theory, and their associated terms is crucial for developers and computer science students. These fundamental data structure and algorithm play a significant role in various application and problem-solving scenarios. As you can see the flowchart, first it goes start, then logic test, if do this or else do other, then stop. Thank you.